Hey Rose, are you waiting for someone?
Yes, Alex, I am waiting for you.
Why are you looking upset?
Alex, I am facing money problem.
Money problem? Now you don't have money?
I have very little money.
Is there any problem in your home?
Yes, my father is ill.
What happened to him?
He is very weak and sick.
Since when is he like this?
From last month, he is not well.
Did you take him to the hospital?
Yes, but treatment is costly.
Oh no, that is very hard.
Yes, I feel very helpless.
Don't worry, I'm here.
I don't know what to do.
How is your mother managing?
She is trying, but she is tired.
And your sister?
She is studying in school.
What about your brother?
He is working for our livelihood.
That is too much pressure on you.
Yes, I feel burden every day.
You are very strong, Rose.
I try, but I feel weak inside.
Do you have enough food at home?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That is really painful.
I worry about tomorrow always.
How much money do you need now?
We need money for medicine.
Did you ask anyone for help?
No, I feel shy to ask.
Don't feel shy in hard times.
I don't like to depend on others.
It is okay to ask for support.
I know, but it is difficult.
You are not alone in this.
Hearing this gives me hope.
I will try to help you.
Really? Will you help me?
Yes, I will not leave you.
Thank you, Alex.
We will find a solution together.
I feel a little better now.
Can you do any small job?
Yes, I can do part-time work.
That is a good idea.
I want to support my family.
I can ask my friends for work.
That will help me a lot.
Also, I will arrange some money.
You are doing so much for me.
Friends always help each other.
I am lucky to have you.
Don't lose hope, okay?
I will try to stay strong.
Your father will get better soon.
I pray for that every day.
Keep faith and courage.
Yes, I will not give up.
Tomorrow we will visit the doctor.
Okay, I will come with you.
Everything will be fine one day.
I believe in that now.
Let's go and see your father.
Yes, let's go now.
Is your father at home now?
Yes, he is resting in his room.
Can I see him?
Yes, please come inside.
How is he feeling today?
He feels weak and tired.
Did he eat anything?
He ate very little food.
That is not good for his health.
I try to give him good food.
Don't worry, we will manage this.
I hope things get better soon.
I brought some fruits for him.
Thank you, Alex. That means a lot.
Where is your mother now?
She is in the kitchen.
She must be very worried too.
Yes, she cries silently.
That is very painful to see.
I feel broken when I see her.
You should stay strong for her.
I try, but it is very hard.
I understand your situation.
Thank you for understanding me.
We will take your father to a better doctor.
But we don't have enough money.
I will arrange some help.
I don't want to trouble you.
You are not troubling me at all.
Your support gives me strength.
Tomorrow morning we will go together.
Okay, I will get ready early.
Don't forget to take his reports.
Yes, I will keep everything readied.
Does he take medicines regularly?
Sometimes he forgets to take them.
You should remind him gently.
Yes, I will take care of that.
Everything needs patience now.
I will be patient and calm.
You are doing your best.
I just want my father to recover.
He will get better with care.
I believe your words.
Let's go and sit near him.
Yes, he feels happy when someone talks.
I will speak with him softly.
He likes your company.
Then let's not waste time.
Yes, come, let's go inside.
Julie, I need to talk to you.
What happened?
It is something important.
Tell me, I am listening.
I feel confused these days.
Why do you feel like that?
Everything is going wrong.
Not everything is wrong.
It feels like I am losing control.
You're just stressed.
Maybe, but it is too much.
Sit down and relax first.
I cannot sit peacefully.
Then walk and talk.
I made some bad decisions,
Everyone makes mistakes.
but my mistakes hurt others.
Did you try to fix them?
I tried, but it was not enough.
You can try again.
What if I fail again?
Failure is part of learning.
I'm afraid to lose people.
True people will stay.
I do not feel strong anymore.
You are still strong.
I want to believe that.
Believe in small steps first.
What do you mean by small steps?
One step at a time.
I feel alone sometimes.
You are not alone.
Thank you for staying with me.
I will support you.
I do not want to depend too much.
Support is not weakness.
I understand, but it feels strange.
You need time.
Time is moving fast.
You are moving with it.
I need to fix my life soon.
Start today.
What should I do first?
Face your problems clearly.
That sounds difficult.
Difficult things make you stronger.
I will try.
That is enough for now.
Will you stay with me in this?
Yes, I will.
I feel better now.
That is good.
Talking helps a lot.
Sharing helps.
I was keeping everything inside.
That makes it worse.
I understand now.
Keep talking.
I will not hide anymore.
That is a good choice.
I feel hopeful again.
That is good to hear.
Thank you for guiding me.
You are guiding yourself.
You helped me a lot.
We help each other.
I will not give up now.
That is good.
Let us move forward together.
Yes, together.
I want to take action now.
That is a good decision.
I cannot stay like this anymore.
Change always starts like this.
I will begin with my work.
What is your plan?
I will talk to my manager tomorrow.
That sounds clear.
I will ask for one more chance.
Be honest with him.
Yes, I will tell everything.
That will help you.
I'm still a little nervous.
That is normal.
I will prepare tonight.
Good. Practice your words.
Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
Thank you, Julie.
We will do it together.
I also need to fix my habits.
Which habits do you want to change?
I waste too much time.
Then start managing your time.
I will make a simple schedule.
Keep it easy to follow.
I will wake up early.
That is a good start.
I will also exercise daily.
That will give you energy.
I want to stay focused.
Remove distractions.
I will use my phone less.
That will help a lot.
I will read for 1 hour daily.
Reading improves thinking.
I want to learn new skills.
Choose one skill first.
I will start with communication.
That is very useful.
I will practice speaking daily.
You can practice with me.
That will help me improve.
We will speak in English every day.
I like that idea.
Consistency is important.
I will not stop this time.
Stay patient with yourself.
I will track my progress.
That will keep you motivated.
I feel more clear now.
Clarity gives confidence.
I want to fix my mistakes slowly.
One step at a time.
I will not rush anymore.
That is a wise choice.
I will stay calm and focused.
That will bring good results.
Thank you for standing with me.
I am always here.
Tomorrow is a new start.
Yes, it is a fresh beginning.
I will not look back again.
Learn from the past, but move forward.
I understand now.
That is what matters.
Let us meet tomorrow evening.
Yes, we will review your day.
That will keep me on track.
We will continue this journey together.